A recent analysis by political commentator Charlene Chikomo suggested that the perceived rift between Vice President Nkosazana Chiwenga and prominent businessman Kuda Kwachitagure is an orchestrated political drama rather than a genuine power struggle within the ruling ZANU-PF party that has turned opposition figures into mere spectators of a ZANU-PF metagame. Sarabina mashoko obuda panguva ino chinokonzi mafights aripo between Kuda Kwachitagure naVP Nkosazana Chiwenga panguva ino ari kuonekwa aiwa as a way aiwa yekuuya panguva ino vachiconfusa the opposition. Don't forget to subscribe or like on the bell icon. Chipira panapa munawo mubudani kwa mchinzi. According to Chikomo, the supposed rivalry between military-aligned figures like Chiwenga and capital-aligned figures such as Tagure is not a sign of division, but a form synthesis that allows the party to absorb all national attention, including dissent. He described the relationship between the military and capital with the ZANU-PF not as a rift, but as a merger. In course, let us be clear, ZANU-PF is not divided between military and capital. ZANU is a military capital. ZANU-PF is a merger. The attempt to separate the two is analytically naive and politically barren. To speak of Tagure as one center, Chiwenga as another, is to misread the nature of elite consensus under authoritarianism, a consensus not built on harmony but on choreographed tension, not on trust but on shared stakes in a captured state. If the opposition is serious, it must exit this theater. It must refuse to be an audience to ZANU-PF. See self-curated drama. It must build real infrastructure, ideological depth, organizational form, and community penetration. Ndo mashuka ari kuda panguva ino since aiwa drama ari kuitika between Tagure naVP Nkosazana Chiwenga aiwa ZANU-PF according to Charlene Chikomo ari kuti aiwa it is a military state vakabatana aiwa ende panguva ino ari kuuya panguva ino achiti mafights ari kuitika awo ndekunguva yangoti audience imise opposition munguva confused but those guys vanowirana amen. Tudze mafunguro enyu muri kudii pamusoro pechitiko ichi. Wapinda comment section pendudza mafunguro enyu. Musakana subscribe or like, chita on the bell icon.